Hi guys, I'm gonna make this intro very quick. You can't see it. We are at Family Dollar. I have 2 deals that I want to do, okay? I've never been to this store before. I'm actually very afraid. I've never been to this store before. Let me turn my hair down. I've never been to this store before. I'm a little nervous. I'm scared, but we're gonna go in here and see if we can get these deals out of the way. I literally have like 15 minutes to get this done because I still gotta eat. All right, so let's go inside of Family Dollar and see what we can get. Yeah, when I say it is a commotion up in here, it is a commotion. There's a trillion people in here. This store is really big though. So they got, this is gonna be my first transaction, picking up 2 of the Sky Comfort Plus. There is a buy 2, save 2 digital coupon on the app, and I'm going to use these pillies. I was hoping it was on here. So let's go get my next item. Yeah, I'm about to get this stuff and get up out of here. All my shelves were empty, so this is the best that I can come up with. I want you to get a good picture of what I have in my carts, and then we will go over my receipt when I get in the car, because it's just a mess. It's like a trillion people in here. So I wanted to get some things that I could pair together, so at least I got the snuggle and the haul. Yeah, so this is what I got. So we just gonna check out and see how this goes. All right, guys, so we are in the car and going over my receipt. I had to completely improvise because, okay, let me just give you a little backstory. This is not the store that I normally go to, because the store that I normally go to is about 15 minutes from my job, and I just was like, I'm not gonna go all the way down there today. And there's a family, and I actually passed 2 Family Dollars going to the one that I normally go to, but I'm always just scared of going to new stores, and I know why. I mean, but I will say this: the store was busy, and it's a huge store. The store was really busy, and they had like 10 employees. I've never seen so many Family Dollar employees at work at one time ever in my life. Like, they were like 12,000 employees in there today, but they were getting the store together, which I can understand. Like, I wasn't even able to film. Like, the aisles was just like, with packed. I could barely move my cart around. Like, it was just too much. So I basically, what I said I want to do 2 transactions, I could only do 1 because they didn't have anything. They didn't have anything in there, y'all. The shelves were empty. They didn't have the Tide Simply, like all the stuff that I wanted to get. They did not have it. So I really just had to improvise, as I usually find myself doing when I come to Family Dollar. So my out of pocket was a lot more. My out of pocket is $2 more than what I had planned for, because I had planned for it to be $12, but it ended up being like $14. And the cashier, he was like shocked. He was like, whoa, because it was like $30. So I did use my pillies, so I got the 2 off 2, and I got the 50-cent pillies for that. So that brought my total way down for the paper towel, for the tissue, which is what I wanted. The Game Fireworks, I had a $1 digital, it's $3.95. I picked up the big razors. There was a $2 razor. I think that the big was where my total went over $2, because I didn't have that in my original breakdown. And the Tide Simply, the $1 digital came off for that. The digital came off for the all packs, the Snuggle. I could go back in there and do another deal, but I just don't. I cannot. And then the dollar digital came off for the Snuggle. So guys, I paid $14. I'm really not happy about it, but again, I'm putting bundles together. Matter of fact, I need to let her know when she can pick them up. or when I can bring them to her. But I'm putting bundles together that's really going to pay me back for all the money that I spent couponing this week. So I'm not just out here spending money just to do it, and I'm not just doing this video just so I can say that I did it. Like, I'm literally, everything that I bought, I'm getting rid of it. It's coming in the house and it's going right out the other. Also, before this week is out, I plan on doing a stockpile tour just to show you how I keep all my products in an apartment. I have a very small apartment, and I have, like, how do I organize you can call it organizing, but I got stuff everywhere. But like how I organize all my stuff. So stay tuned for that before the week is out. Okay, so that is all that I'm doing at Family Dollar. I'm about to get me something to eat and go back to work. So thank you guys so much for watching Saving Money with Mira. Make sure you like and subscribe so that you don't miss any more of my couponing adventures. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And you guys will see me tomorrow with my Walgreens Wednesday haul. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.